To attach your Revel to shore power, which means you're plugged into a power outlet that's connected to the grid, you're going to want to come to the back driver's side and look for this plug that has a cover over it. If you just lift softly, this will make a little click and the cover will open right up. Now on your cable that is included with your Revel, you're going to see two plugs. One plug has a logo on the top. That's an easy way to know which side is up. You're going to push this in and give it a little twist, and that locks it into place. And then you additionally have a locking collar ring that you can screw on here tighter. The other plug is set up for a 30 amp electrical outlet. This means that you're going to need an adapter if you want to plug it into a 20 amp, which is a household style plug, or a 50 amp, which is a larger campground style plug. But it'll go straight into a 30 amp standard plug. Once you plug this in, you will notice there's a little light, a little LED light on the top of the cover, and that will signify that you're getting power into your system. You can find the adapters to go for a 20 amp or a 50 amp from your 30 amp at any Winnebago dealer. One best practice is to never drive away with your cord attached. So it's good to always do a walk around when you're at a campground before you leave and just confirm that you didn't forget to unplug this. To unplug it, I'm going to undo the screw collar, I'm going to turn it back and unplug it. It comes right out. Then I'm going to seal this back down just to keep water and elements out of it. Coil up your cable and you're ready to go.